There you are. Scrolling through your newsfeed, catching up on emails and notifications. When suddenly, you dropped and cracked your cell phone. You may ask yourself, what can I do now? Where can I get my phone fixed? You're in luck. We noticed there wasn't a place to go for repair without having to drive to a different city that's hours away. Now you can visit us at Krakt Phone Repair here in Alpena. We offer various repairs, from phones, tablets, computers and much more. We use high-quality parts and tools to ensure your device gets back up and running. From screens to batteries, we can replace almost anything in your device. Stop in to see how we can get you connected again.